for you our Improvers Solo Samba practice routine number 7, and this was taught in the online class on the 21st of November 2022. So if you want to see the full class, head over to the video library on my website, and we are looking for the 21st of November 22. So this is a very short summary. I'm going to start with the right foot, and I'm going to do some Cuban breaks. In and out. In and out. I'm then going to go over with my right foot for a slow volta. I'm going to do that twice, and then quick ones for 4. Let's do that with the timing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. 4 botafogos, left foot, right foot, left foot, and right foot, and then repeat on the other side. In, out, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. 4 botafogos again. And then I'm going to do the reverse turn, starting on my right foot back. Back and close, forwards and cross, back and close, forwards and cross. Then we go a little bit quicker and call some timing out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Botafogos. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and slow, and quick, and quick, and quick, and quick, 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 and a quick, quick. There we go, guys, only a very short practice routine. That was Improvers Solo Samba practice routine number 7, originally from the 21st of November 2022. And I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.